Welcome to our detailed comparison of Wix Studio and Elementor. We begin with features. Wix Studio offers an intuitive interface with easy drag and drop features. It provides a wide range of templates, and a significant advantage is its artificial design intelligence, ADI, that helps create websites automatically. On the other hand, Elementor presents an open source platform with a live editor for real-time design. It includes 300 plus templates and 90 plus widgets. Elementor also allows third-party plugins, giving it an edge in customization. Let's talk about pricing. Wix Studio has a free version, but the premium plans range from $14 to $49 per month, depending on the features and storage. Elementor, however, offers a free version with basic features, and its pro version starts from $49 per year for a single site, reaching up to $190 per year for 1,000 sites. It's worth noting that Elementor's pricing is per year, making it more cost-effective for long-term use. User experience is crucial in choosing a platform. Wix Studio's intuitive interface makes it a great choice for beginners. It's easy to use and requires no coding skills. On the other hand, Elementor, while offering more flexibility and customization, can be overwhelming for beginners. However, it is favored by developers and designers due to its advanced capabilities and open source nature. Let's consider integrations. Wix Studio integrates with a variety of third-party apps, but its closed system limits the number of plugins. On the contrary, Elementor, being a WordPress plugin, has access to thousands of WordPress plugins, providing extensive functionality and integration capabilities. Performance is a key factor for any website. Wix Studio manages hosting and ensures optimized performance, but the page load speed can be slower due to its code structure. Elementor, on the other hand, relies on the hosting and WordPress setup for performance, allowing more control and potential for optimization. Security is essential for every website. Wix Studio handles security on its own and provides SSL certificates. In contrast, Elementor relies on WordPress's security measures, and additional security plugins can be installed for enhanced protection. Both platforms are secure, but the level of security can be more customizable with Elementor. Support and scalability are vital for growth. Wix Studio provides 24/7 customer support and ensures scalability within its infrastructure. Elementor, however, relies on community support and WordPress forums. While scalability with Elementor depends on your hosting provider, it offers more potential for large-scale websites. The winner between Wix Studio and Elementor is Elementor. Firstly, it provides more flexibility and customization options. Secondly, it offers more value in terms of pricing, especially for long-term use. Thirdly, it has extensive integration capabilities due to its open source nature. Lastly, it provides more potential for scalability, especially for large-scale websites. Thank you for watching our detailed comparison between Wix Studio and Elementor. We hope it helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos. Stay tuned.